Alright, here at Tedious Repairs, we offer four-wheel alignments. We have a Sequoia here. We have just done the lower control arms. And we're going to get them out of here. Same day service. So if you need any alignment services, any other kind of work, we do a wide range of repairs on a bunch of different vehicles. Teslas, Jeeps, Cadillac, ACs, Camaro blower motors, window seals over here on a Toyota. We got tire pressure sensors out here on the RAV4, transmission on a Yukon. We even do some old school stuff. We got a radiator job here on this 57. And once in a while, someone will talk us into a 24-foot RV. He's getting a radiator. So, the steering rack guy over here. And battery and oil on the Kia. So if you need any repairs, you need any service, just looking for a new mechanic, come down here to Tedious Repairs, give us a shot. We'll take care of you. Happy Friday.